One of the most beautiful towns in Scandinavia was almost completely destroyed in a single night. But what came after wasn't just a rebuild, it was a reinvention. Today, Ålesund looks like something out of a fantasy novel. Turrets, colorful facades, and winding seaside streets, all perched on a cluster of islands surrounded by dramatic fjords. And none of it would exist without one of the worst urban fires in Norwegian history. This is the story of a town burned to ash and reborn in art. Welcome to Ålesund. Nestled across 7 islands on Norway's west coast, Ålesund's location made it a natural hub for fishing, shipping, and trade. Its history stretches back to the Middle Ages, but the town itself began to flourish in the 19th century, fueled by the booming cod industry and its proximity to the open Atlantic. By the late 1800s, Ålesund had become one of Norway's fastest-growing ports. Wooden warehouses and homes packed the islands. But all that timber came with a cost. On the night of January 23, 1904, disaster struck. A fire, fanned by strong winds, tore through the town. In just 16 hours, nearly the entire city center was reduced to ash. About 850 houses were destroyed. Over 10,000 people were left homeless. Miraculously, only one person died, but the devastation was total. And yet, this is where the story gets interesting. Just weeks after the fire, an ambitious plan to rebuild was set into motion. Norway was on the brink of independence from Sweden, and national pride was high. Architects and planners, many of them young Norwegians trained in Germany, saw a rare opportunity to build an entirely new city from scratch. The result? Ålesund became the only town in Norway almost entirely rebuilt in the Art Nouveau style, known locally as Jugendstil. With colorful facades, flowing lines, and medieval-inspired towers, the new Ålesund looked nothing like the fishing town that came before. Even the German Kaiser Wilhelm II contributed, sending aid ships to support the rebuilding. He had vacationed nearby and loved the area. The town grew again, stronger this time. Stone and brick replaced wood. Architectural harmony gave Ålesund a unique identity. Today, Ålesund is considered one of the most beautiful towns in Norway. Its Art Nouveau center draws tourists from around the world. Its port remains vital, both for fishing and Arctic expeditions. And just beyond the buildings lie the Sunnmøre Alps and dramatic fjords, a reminder of nature's power and beauty. In just over a century, Ålesund has gone from wooden fishing port to national architectural treasure. It's not just a town that survived a fire. It's a town that used tragedy as a blueprint and built something unforgettable. This is Ålesund, and its story is one of the most remarkable rebirths in European urban history. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and tell us in the comments what city to cover next.